In this video, we're going to show how to connect your blog with WordPress.com so that you can use Jetpack stats. In order for this to work, you must have an account on WordPress.com. When you create one, they will set up for you a blog. But you don't have to use it. You don't have to tell anyone it's there, and it can just sit there doing nothing. So don't worry about that too much. Once you have an account, you can either be logged in before we begin the process, or you can log in during the process. It doesn't matter. I'm not going to log in yet. I'm going to go here to my personal blog, go to Add New, and we'll install Jetpack. There. Now, since I'm running WP Rocket, it wants me to clear my cache, so we're going to do that real quick. There. Now, on the left, I have a new Jetpack admin menu. And in order for it to work, I must connect to WordPress.com. Now, if I had already been logged in, I wouldn't need to do this right now. But because I am not, I need to log in. And then I can authorize Jetpack. There we go. Now Jetpack is connected to WordPress.com. I'm not going to do the jump start because it automatically sets up a number of things. And we want to work on stats. And you can see here, top front and center, WordPress.com stats. Now I'm going to click Configure. And we have some options. We can put a chart showing 48 hours of use in the admin bar. That's this black bar here at the top. I've noticed that occasionally slows down my site, so I'm going to remove that, and I'll just look for my stats someplace else. These are users that we want to count their hits even when they're logged in. I don't want any of those, so I'm going to leave them blank. With Jetpack stats turned on, that puts a very tiny smiley image. You can see it here by my mouse at the bottom of the page. I'm going to leave it checked so that I don't have the little image on my page. And then we can choose who may see stats reports. I like having it be just administrator, so now we'll save configuration. Now let's go to site stats. And there we are. I have no traffic because it just started counting. So in our next video, we'll take a look at some of the stats using a site that already has it configured, and you can see how it looks.